So I literally just found out, like right now, that you can search for keywords in comments, which thankfully helped me find these. Make Chick-fil-A! That's blasphemy. Alright guys, and we're back. Gabe's from Florida, so he's kind of lucky, so he gets to have Chick-fil-A every day but Sunday, right?
Except Sunday, which makes me mad.
This video is gonna go live on Sunday.
Oh.
So you guys can have Chick-fil-A on Sunday.
We have Chick-fil-A tomorrow.
We're gonna have Chick-fil-A every day. Because you can just make it all the time. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the brine, and we're gonna do this kind of the same style we did it last time when we did a test kitchen type thing, right? I love how your hand's completely... It's just broken. I don't know if you knew this, but it soaks in a brine of pickle juice.
I did not know that.
And what a brine does is it really helps bring all like the chicken fibers together, so you get like that juicy, succulent piece of chicken every time you have a bite of Chick-fil-A. And Julia's gonna show you how we're gonna make a brine. And we're gonna do it for how long? Julia, where are you?
Hey.
Ah! You're like that guy from Mr. Deeds, like the I'm very sneaky.
I am very, very sneaky, sir.
I see that.
Can you stab my foot or something?
Do you want me to?
No, I'm just kidding.
So we're gonna start with 2 cups water and see where that fills us, because I think that the bulk of this has to be our pickle juice also. So maybe we'll do 4 cups of water and we'll do all of this pickle juice.
Oh,
we have a
snap.
ton of
We
them
got
in
like
there.
some old ass pickles in there.
Is it nasty? Is it gross? GP. Oh my gosh. Gabriel, don't hit my arm.
Like this.
So I'm gonna do a 1/3 cup sugar in here and 1/2 cup of salt. JP, can I have the MSG? Thank you.
Why do you have so much?
I don't know.
So I'm just gonna add 1/2 teaspoon, meaning just that much. A little bit more. Here you go, JP. I'm also gonna add just a 1/4 cup of olive oil, and we are done. We got the Chick-fil-A expert here, and he's going to most obviously let us know if it tastes most like Chick-fil-A or not.
This is my Chick-fil-A Platinum member card.
How do you get that?
You have to visit Chick-fil-A 10 times, and I got it in like a week.
So we're gonna go ahead and just finish cutting the last piece of chicken right in half. I'm gonna stick it into the brine, and this is just gonna sit there for 2 hours. In the meantime, we can prepare our breader. Maybe go to Buffalo Wild Wings or something, right?
We're doing that tonight?
No.
No, we're doing it tomorrow.
We're gonna do that tomorrow. All right, boys, good work. Good work. I gotta say, you did so much during this part of the recipe. I just don't know what I would do without you.
And at that moment, I thought to myself, could I have done more? Could I have done more?
So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna cover up this brine awkwardly. So we're gonna take 1 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of baking powder.
Why is there so much pepper?
Yeah, I know, right? Sorry. 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of dry evaporated milk. Don't forget MSG. All right, so we have our seasoning of the chicken, we have our breader for the chicken, and we just need to get the wet ingredients. Do you want to help me whisk? At least I can put you to work for something,
Now
right?
watch me whisk.
Whisk it
I'm
up.
watching mayonnaise.
Everyone left me.
I'm here, baby.
Yeah.
I'm here too. For our final step, we coated the chicken first in our spice mixture, and then into our flour, and then into our egg mixture, and then back into our flour, bringing some of the egg mixture with us to create those little crunchy bread chunks we all love. So for a single coat for 6 minutes, we found a perfect balance of breading and color.
All right, JP, Gabriel, we've got everything we need together, so we're about to build this thing with epic background music.
Bottom bun, pickles, chicken. Is that really everything? And then once we perfected the recipe, we ended up making a ton of sandwiches, and Julia hugged her twin brother Alex and her younger brother Gabe.
I'm okay.
Smile. Say you love me.
I love you.
And there you have it, folks. After some trial and failures, we finally did it. Now you can eat Chick-fil-A any day of the week and be any type of person you want to be. As long as it's not at a Chick-fil-A. Alright guys, we just finished making Chick-fil-A sandwiches, and we did try a few things such as longer brine, shorter brine, less breading, more breading, seasoning. I think the seasoning's spot on, and I'd say 3 hour, 4 hour brine didn't make much of a difference other than the 2 hours. So don't waste your time guys, 2 hours is just enough.
I'm gonna taste that pickle.
This is the best chicken sandwich I've ever had.
We're like the cool Brady Bunch.
There's nothing wrong here. The fry is perfect. It's really salty. It definitely reminds me of a Chick-fil-A.
It's so good.
Hey, Chick-fil-A, if you're listening right now, step up your game, because these guys, they kicked your ass.
I'm gonna cry.
Wait, can you give them the $50 you told them to say that?
Okay.
Alright guys, thanks for coming along. Give Gabe and Alex a big thumbs up for being a part of this episode.
Gabriel has a very funny video of him on YouTube of him doing the
Shuffle,
shuffle
shuffle.
as a child.
It was taken off the internet. See the video that I was in before on my face.
There you go.
Right there.
Guys, check out that cruise. You guys, Merry Christmas.
Happy holidays, everybody.
Happy holidays.
This is going up. This is obviously going up after Christmas, but happy holidays.
Happy New Year.
Bye. All right, upload.